That was my first game ever.
It was my first time playing forward. That was my first time.
That was my first time.
Yeah, bro. Isn't that a school for that down there? Isn't it? Oh.
How did you feel? What? Combien de temps d'ici?
Quoi?
Combien de temps d'ici?
C'est fini?
That's a lot of damage. Whenever someone gets close, I'm just gonna say that's a lot of damage. Yeah. Oh! I would just slap it and let it fall down.
Antoine, tu veux venir avec moi qu'on est resté quelque chose? Antoine, tu veux venir?
God bless you. Basically, when we went to Sweden, and we played against the PIF. We played against them. It was on the
Antoine, viens faire
their break. It's like so funny. This is Tina, Carl, and Victor. He said he got to play with his squad, and I just off kicking everything away. And then one of this saw me so I was like, that was the other it's gonna be exactly. Rob.
Let's go to Russia and that. Look at our buildings there. If at least I can like control the play. Perfect. They have training every day. In the morning you go to school, one high school. And I have it like 5 times a week. So 5 trainings. I just go to Malvern. They have training every day. Sometimes before in the morning at 6 o'clock. In the evening, and they have the drinking sometimes. Are you concerned they have games this week? So, yeah, but unless you did, your eyes can basically go. The only thing that looks at schools like yeah, all I have to do is I'm having an open shirt. I remember
That's my school back. That's my school back.
my second year play. I guess. I would like to just dishes everything up. Well,
What's I bet Vegas is going to get French fries.
yeah, when you respond to that stuff, I don't care why you
Voilà.
I got it! Guys, it's out! What are you guys doing?
Everyone's like, oh, cold.
Who's got it?
Har du känt av det?
I don't know. Cut it. He's got
Du springer ut i det. Du behöver springa.
Kalle är inte bäst i 50.
Jag får nacken inte ha så grabbigt. Har du fått sprayen?
oh man,
det ligger så mycket nästan.
Malik, honestly, Malik is like 2 pounds.
Ja, ta den och lätt.
Det är lekstil.
Nej.
Jag kan se lekstil.
Nu tar den när du vänder upp sig för nästa match. Du får ta den lite inne helst. Det får effekt. Jag får ju upp huvudet som matchen. Du sköter så att andra fick göra mål också, va?
Ja, vilken då? files.
It's yours.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Han vinner till mot Farnham bort i inte riktigt. Jag vet inte om det är efter att
I can't even pull that off.
Look at that guy.
My thing's winning.
I bet I've been doing
Guys, it's 8-0. What's the company? Two blocks
How many
Skaka. Så stoppa i munnen. Tryck. Stoppa i munnen, tryck och så tryck hela tiden. Bra ting. Yeah, we need more subs. Okay. Otherwise, I think we are.
It's like a goal.
Oh, okay.
So you save that. Guys,
Let's train on mentality. Yeah, Frank, do any stickers? Yeah. Let's think about how we can make Make sure everything next time we have this whole next time we do that.
Why does this count? Yeah, but you know these things use everything.
Gives me a feeling here.
You're gonna do what that goalie does during the game. That's us women. That guy was just eat. Yeah, we're just on this thing.
That's what I do when it's on tournament.
And then
He's just smiling.
dead long.
The goalies have
Do you rate?
I would
I don't think that's all.
I would. I don't think that's what are they funny? Oh my
He's
god.
so bored.
I was just thinking to that. I'm trying. I'm thinking of the biggest thing. Next time I kick it. I'll call for it. I'll call.
We got
After Liverpool, I think this game is that goal.
This is what yeah, I remember when you had a bit of run like that. And then someone put out what is it? That's a goal. So what's your luck today?
I'll just start the session one. Yeah, I was sweating. The first game I started.
One hand backhand. Far down twice.
Boys, I've got a plan.
No, we're doing the deep part. I love the way everyone just talks yeah, I see that. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.